Hello everyone, this is Ankush Sharma, and today's date is 9th May 2024, and today's my topic is based on core Java, and the main topic is control statement in Java. So let's discuss it. So first of all, we'll discuss what is control statement and why do we use this. So control statement is one of the statement which we can use for the we make decisions. It is used for make decisions and to know the code that it should be continue or to break or to repeat on the certain conditions. So there are numerous control statements like if else, if statement, nested if else, or switch statements, for loop, do while loop, while loop. So let's get into it. So first we'll discuss about the if statement. So what is the if statement? If statement's syntax is if, then in the parenthesis the conditions and the curly bracket that block. So in the if statement, what, like how it works, if I am giving the condition, if that condition is true, then only that block of code will execute. After that, there is a if else condition. In if else condition, we give the condition in if parenthesis. After that, we write the code to be executed in that block. After that, we provide the else part, and also in else part, we don't take the condition, we just write the code of that execution. So in this if else statement, how it works, like if our condition is true, then only if block is executed, otherwise it gets into the else part and it break, like it execute that. After that, there is a for loop. So for loop is like repeating the conditions on the given condition. So if I am giving the condition that I is iteration I is less than 10, then the code will repeat till the 10 the condition. So this is the work of for loop. In the for loop, we write the syntax is for int I is equal to the 0. I means iteration, it starts from the 0, and after that we give the condition that I is less than 10, then it is the condition, then I plus plus. We iterate it plus 1, then that's why we write the I plus plus, and in that and we start the curly braces. In that curly braces, we provide the code for the execution. So this is the for loop. After that, there is a while loop. So while loop, why do we use the for loop? Sorry, while loop. In while loop, if it goes until the condition is true. Like if I am giving the while loop, then I will write the keyword of while. After that, I will give the condition in the parenthesis, and I will start the curly braces. In that curly braces, I will provide the code of execution, and it will work until the condition gets true. Okay, so this is the work of while loop. After that, there is a do while loop. So do while loop, in do while loop, we write do while, then the statement and the curly braces. In do while, it first execute, after that it goes on. So this is the do while loop. And also there is a switch statement. In switch statement, if you want to execute only one condition of the several conditions, we make several conditions in switch case, and the syntax is switch, then the statement of the name, like if I am using the case number 1 or the 10 or the 11, what could be this. So after that, switch, in the parenthesis the condition, the name of the case, and after that I start the curly braces, and from there I give the conditions of the cases, and after that we need to use the break, because break statement using in switch statement is very important, because if we are not using the break statement, then it will continuously goes on. So that's why we write there the break statement, so that it gets into the loop, and after that whenever the condition is takes place, it gets break. After that there is a continue statement. Continue is if you want to continue the loop, then that's why we write the continue. And the semicolon, semicolon is, we all know semicolon for we use for the stop, that the finishing the line. So these were the control statement in Java we use to make decisions of coding, or on the basis of the certain condition. Like if I am giving the certain condition, then that works on that condition. So this were my topic of today's. Thank you so much.